Are you tired of paying hefty premiums for your Texas homeowners insurance? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are 10 surefire ways to save big on your policy.
All right, let's get started. I'm Holly Haven.
And I'm Andy Haven.
Welcome back to the Haven Home Team channel. We are your no-filter North Texas real estate team. And guys, we know that homeowners insurance prices have gone through the roof this year. So if there's anything at all we can do to help you save some money and feel more at home in Texas, then that's what we want to do. So let's dive right in. We have a few tips today.
Let's get started on tip number 1. Shop your providers. Obtain quotes from multiple insurance companies and go ahead and compare your prices and coverage options. This will definitely help you consider which price is the best for you. Each company has its own underwriting guidelines and pricing structures. Go shop around so that they can help you find the best deal.
Tip number 2, you can increase your deductible. This is not the right answer for every homeowner, but it might be the right answer for you if you need to cut back on that annual policy premium. So what that means is if you need a new roof, which you will need one in Texas every 2 to 5 years on average, your deductible could go from 1% to 2%. That's a pretty big chunk of money when you do have a claim that you have to pay out. However, it could help you significantly on your monthly or annual premium amount. And this is a great way to save money if it's something that you really need to do.
Tip number 3, bundle those policies. Look into your insurance provider and see if they will bundle your home and auto insurance to get you a better rate.
Tip number 4, enhance your home security. This can be anything from a full security system that's monitored by a third party to just some simple cameras, Ring doorbells, things that will just enhance the overall security of your property. So once you let your homeowner's insurance provider know that you have added some features, maybe it's some deadbolts on doors, or like we said, the cameras, you can get some discounts on your policy just for having higher security.
Tip number 5, improve your home safety. Taking steps to make sure your home is safer can also help lower your premiums. For example, adding storm shelters, reinforcing your roof, or upgrading your electrical and plumbing can help you make sure that your home is more resistant to damage from storms or accidents.
Which happens here in North Texas pretty
Very
often. Tip number 6, and this is one of the easiest for some of you. It's maintain good credit. Guys, your insurance providers pull your credit score, and that's one of the ways they adjust your policy premium. So keeping a really good credit score. If you don't have a good credit score, hire a third party to help you get those old, late payments, non-payments, medical bills. That's the one that hits a lot of people hard. Hire somebody to help you get those off of your history so that you can actually save in several areas, homeowners insurance being one of them.
Tip number 7, stay claims free. In the state of Texas, it actually doesn't really hurt you too bad to have smaller claims from weather damage. The problem would be that your premium is just a little bit higher in the state of Texas. So insurance providers often offer discounts to homeowners who haven't had claims in a specific time period. So by avoiding small claims and only using your insurance for specific losses, you can potentially save on your premiums.
Tip number 8, review your coverage on a regular basis. I usually tell my clients to review it at least annually. You can have it checked with other providers because somebody just may have a better rate for you depending on what your history, whether it's your claims, your credit score, right? Things change year to year. So definitely reviewing that coverage, making sure that you're not overinsured or underinsured. Don't forget to add things to your policy like wedding rings, right? High-end personal items can be added. Just make sure that you're reviewing, you know what's covered, and you know what to expect if something does happen.
Tip number 9, consider flood insurance. Standard homeowners insurance policies typically don't cover flood damage. So given that Texas is prone to flooding, typically in the South, especially in certain areas, it may be worthwhile to consider purchasing a separate flood insurance policy through NFIP, the National Flood Insurance Program.
And tip number 10, always ask for a discount. You never know what they might be offering, and they won't usually share that with you until you ask. So if you're a retiree, or maybe you're of senior age now, it happens to us sooner than we want. Maybe you're, military or first responder. We have a lot of options through different providers to get discounts just for things like that. So always asking for the discount, finding out how you can save money so that your broker can put together the best policy for you at the best price.
If you have any questions about homeowner insurance or any other questions to do with home ownership, please drop them below. We would love to answer them in the next video. In the meantime, you can go ahead and follow us down below on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and we would love to see you in the next video.
Yeah, like, subscribe, leave comments, let us know how we're doing and what type of future content you want to see. Bye, guys.